Question number 7. Shanti Sweets placing an order of making card boxes for packing their sweets. Two sizes of box were required. Two sizes of box. Two size of box. Big box dimension. Big box dimension is length is the bigger box dimension 25, breadth 20 and height 5 centimeter. This is the bigger box dimension, and small box dimension is 15, 12, 5. 15, 12, 5. Length is 15, breadth is 12 and height is 5 centimeter. These are the two dimensions of boxes. Bigger box is 25, 20 and 5, 15, 12 and 5. For all the overlaps, total surface, extra surface area, extra area for overlap is 5%. Extra area of 5% of, इसको आप ये भी कर लीजिए, 5% ऑफ TSA. टोटल सरफेस एरिया का 5% और ऐड हुआ. इफ द कॉस्ट ऑफ कार्डबोर्ड इज ₹4 for 1000 centimeter square, it means 1 centimeter cost rupees 1000 upon 1 सेंटीमीटर कॉस्ट रुपीस कितनी हो जाएगी? 1000 की इतनी है तो 1 की कितनी हो जाएगी? सो 1 सेंटीमीटर कॉस्ट रुपीस 4 upon 1000. 1000 सेंटीमीटर कॉस्ट रुपीस इतना, सो 1 सेंटीमीटर इज 4 upon 1000. यूनिटरी मेथड. नाउ कॉस्ट फॉर 25, कॉस्ट निकालनी है. कॉस्ट फॉर 250 ईच काइंड, 250 बॉक्स ईच टाइप. This you have to find. First we have to find the TSA of one big box. First we have to find the TSA of one big box. So it is 2 bracket LB plus BH plus HL centimeter square. Now putting the values, 225 into 20 plus 20 into 5 plus 5 into 25 centimeter square. Now calculate it. 25 into 2, 50, 500 plus 100 plus 25, 125. So it becomes 2 into कितना होएगा? 600 and 100, 725. 2 into 725. It means it will come 200. कितना आ जाएगा? 7 and 1450 centimeter square. It is a TSA of one big box. Now TSA of कितना ऑर्डर प्लेस किया? 250. So TSA of 250 big box is equal to कितना हो जाएगा? 250 into 1450 centimeter square. This is the TSA. Not multiply, keep it as it is. इसको ऐसे रखिए अभी. Now second we find the TSA of one small box. So what is the formula? 2 bracket LB plus BH plus HL centimeter square. Now 2 bracket L कितना है? 15 into 12 plus 12 into 5 plus 5 into 15 centimeter square. Now multiplied it, you will get 15 into 12 कितना होता है? 180 plus 60 plus 75. So it becomes 2 into 180, 240 or 70. 240 180 plus this 240 or 75. 315 into 630 centimeter square of one small box. So TSA of 250 small box कितना हो जाएगा? 250 into 630 centimeter square. Now what is the total TSA? Total TSA दोनों को जोड़ दें. I add this plus this. So total TSA is equal to 250 into 1450 plus 250 into 630. Now if you take common, you can take common 250, you can take common, it becomes 1450 plus 630. Now it becomes, if you add it, you will get 008 and 0810. It becomes 250 into 2080 centimeter square. If you multiplied it, 208 को 5 से 25 से मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए, you will get 40 and 10, 16 and this is 2 to the 2 8 the 16 and 4. It will comes out to be 5200. See here, 208 multiplied by 25, it becomes 5 8 is a 40, 5 2 is a 10, 8 2 is a 16 and 2 2 is a 4. 0 0 1 2 5 2. It comes out to be 5,20,000 centimeter square. 5,20,000 centimeter square is the total surface area. Here I can write TSA of both. Total TSA कितना आया? 5,20,000 centimeter square. This is the total TSA. Now how much extra? Extra is 5%. So I will calculate it here. Extra is 5%. 5% is extra. So now 5,20,000 into 5% extra. So 0 cut. So it becomes 5200 into 5. 52 into 5. 10. 2600. It is 26,000. So net total surface area कितना आ गया? Net total surface area कितना आ गया? 5200 plus 2600. Now if you add it, you will get 0 0 0 3 तो 0 है नहीं, 0 0 0 and 6 54 600 5,46,000 centimeter square. 5,46,000 centimeter square is the total surface area. Now I will calculate the cost. Here you can see cost of 1 centimeter square is given to you. What is the cost of this? So I will calculate cost here. Rub this total one, है ना? Total surface area of big box I can rub, and cost of total cost, you can write total cost is equal to rupees 546,000 into 4 upon 1000. 3 zeros will cut, multiplied by this 5 4 6 are 24 or 4 4 are 16, 8 and 8 hasil 2184 rupees is the total cost of making the box.